we've been working on this truck for about a year, right? And even though it seems like it's taken a long time, we're definitely making progress. Before we did the truck, we did the 79 Fiat. And in the middle there was, some other stuff. But anyway, hey, thanks for watching. And I appreciate the comments, right? Y'all contribute to the whole thing. Going back to the Fiat days, you guys are helping each other out on there. And most of the comments are positive. Some of them are constructive. And then, some of them, how those people are, right? They're everywhere, right? So I don't allow any of that on my site. So we'll call them mean comments. They never make it to public view. You're blocked. So, that's just the way it is. It's my page. It's my rules. This isn't Facebook. This isn't one of those things where you can just say whatever the hell you want and move on. So what I thought I'd do is share with you some of the comments, right? There's going to be a theme here. I'm a professional mechanical engineer with 25 years of experience. So who am I? The failure rate of the thread in the head depends on the thread. If they're not required, why did Fiat have them? And then this one has been a topic of discussion for a while. Anyone that owns a twin cam Fiat knows the starter has 3 bolts, all of them which can be removed in a matter of minutes. Please sell your 124 and never buy a classic Fiat again. So this guy can remove a starter in 3 minutes. I'm going to call bullshit on that. There should be a law against people like you owning tools. This guy wants to regulate tools? Jeez Louise. Nah, that's enough for a day. I just thought I'd share that with you. The stuff that shows up on the back end that you never get to see. And you probably never will. But I'll read it from time to time. I save them. I started saving them for, special occasions. Talks like this. None of those were about the truck. Actually, the only feedback I really got about the truck was when I welded up that vent in the cowl.